What's up, everybody? We're back again for another Art Therapy Sundays warm-up. Today's theme is all about what love feels like and what love means to us.
My name's Taslim and I'm visiting Ghana from Canada. This is my fourth day in Ghana. Before I came, I googled open mic and found Artopiia, which I was super excited about. Back home, I am a community builder and I want to help people get paid to create. Yeah, I just love bringing people together.
You belong here. That's literally like the whole purpose behind what we're doing.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that you were led here.
Okay, now it's time to switch. Every 5 minutes, we add to the other person's art and they add to ours.
Today I had a vision.
Oh, you gave me makeup? Thank you. You see the makeup?
Let me see.
Like, you got my consent.
Yeah.
I just wanna sway. Come close to me. I just wanna hold. Don't let me go. I just wanna.
That is our last round, ladies and gentlemen.
I just wanna sway.